If you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you 7 ways to make money using ChatGPT. Hello, my name is Victor Injimungo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about 7 ways which you can make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is now and it is the future. AI is now and the future. If you have noticed around you, you'll be noticing that there are a lot of AI tools that are coming up that are making work easier and faster. They are making implementation easier and faster. Back in the day, internet was like one of the biggest inventions of humankind that furthered humanity, that furthered ways at which people could make money, that brought out new opportunities. And now in this new dispensation, AI is the next big thing. It's already the next big thing. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you at least 7 ways in which you can use the popular ChatGPT to make money. Many people use ChatGPT like they're using Google. They just ask ChatGPT questions and ChatGPT gives them replies. But there are several ways. If you are money minded, if you are the type of person that want to make money, there are several ways that you can use ChatGPT, which is a free tool. You can use ChatGPT to make money, and I'm a testament of this. I've been using ChatGPT now for at least for the past 3 years, and I've used ChatGPT to do a lot of things online that has ended up putting money in my pocket. Even if it's 5,000 naira, even whatever amount, ChatGPT can do it for you. And in this video, I'm going to give you 7 ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. Now let's start. Number one, you can use ChatGPT to create a sales letter for your products. There is one product I'm marketing, Eros Loop. ChatGPT was the one that generated the sales letter for it. What I did was that I just gave ChatGPT a description of the product, told ChatGPT the target audience, and I told ChatGPT to write a profitable and persuasive sales letter for this product that will make people order as fast as possible. And I submitted that prompt, and within 5 to 10 seconds, ChatGPT generated a full sales letter for my Eros Loop, and today that Eros Loop had generated over 500 orders and counting. Like even now as I'm talking to you, it's still generating orders. ChatGPT is the next big thing. Back in the day, before you write a sales letter, you have to sit down, brainstorm, do research, do this, do that. But now within a split second, you can generate a sales letter that will be generating millions for you, millions of naira for you in orders. That is what ChatGPT can do. So if you are an e-commerce business owner, or you are a marketer, a digital marketer, whether you are selling physical products or digital products, you can actually use ChatGPT to generate a sales letter for your product. All you need to do is carry your product, take a picture of your product, give a description of your product, what are the benefits, what is it used for, how will it transform people's lives, and then tell ChatGPT to create a profitable and persuasive sales letter for that product, and then watch ChatGPT do the magic. Even Claude AI can actually do the same thing for you. Claude is like another version of ChatGPT. Claude is very good for marketing too. You can do the same thing using Claude AI, and Claude AI will release a full-blown sales page for you. If you even tell it to design the sales page for you, it will do it for you, and then you can upload that sales page design to your Elementor website, your WordPress website, through Elementor, and it will generate everything for you, and you can use it to start making money as fast as possible. So nowadays, you don't have any excuse as a digital marketer not to be using ChatGPT to do marketing. That is one way. Let's move on. Number 2, you can use ChatGPT to create a PDF from scratch that can be sold for 5,000 naira or $5. Yes, ChatGPT can help you create a full-blown PDF. I've used it when I wanted to create an ebook for my infertility information products. What I did was that I came up with the idea and I submitted it to ChatGPT, and then told ChatGPT exactly what I wanted. I wanted a well-designed, presentable PDF guide that can be sold for as low as 5,000 naira. Now, you know I put it at 5,000 naira. Imagine you have a digital product that you can sell for just 5,000 naira that anybody in any part of the world can buy. I sold that ebook in Ghana, in Nigeria, and in Kenya, and it generated a whole lot of money. Imagine just waking up in the morning and checking your seller dashboard and you're seeing orders. You have a new order, you have a new purchase, you have a new purchase, you have a new purchase, and you are not doing any inventory. You are not buying products down to keep. You are not doing logistics. You're not delivering any products. All you need to do is use ChatGPT to create a PDF of an information product, then upload it to seller, and then create marketing material and run ads for it, and you start getting orders. That is the power of ChatGPT. If you are not using ChatGPT, I wonder what you are waiting for. I wonder what you are sitting on. AI has made everything simple. Imagine if you wanted to do all these things manually. You first go and do research, put here. PDF is not just like a design. It's like you have to create a full content. You have to be doing research, typing. But with ChatGPT, you can collate you can put your ideas into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will help you to generate a well-designed PDF, even with a cover photo, like the book cover, the cover design, everything, to generate it for you. You can then use it to market your product. You can start using it to sell. You can start selling that PDF for money. You can use that PDF to build your email list. You can use that PDF to monetize your YouTube channel. Whatever you are doing, ChatGPT can create a PDF that you can sell to in any part of the world, even in the USA. Don't sleep on ChatGPT. Go and use it for your advantage. Go and use it to your advantage, and you will come back and thank me later. So number 3, you can use ChatGPT to design Facebook ad thumbnails and YouTube thumbnails that get massive attention. Now, I've made a video on this, on how to use ChatGPT to design Facebook ad thumbnail. You can use Canva, but if you want it faster, you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT can create. Imagine you have now, maybe you ran a test campaign and you found one winning one winning thumbnail that's giving you over 200 orders. You can carry that winning thumbnail that you have discovered on your Facebook ad dashboard that is giving you a lot of orders, and tell ChatGPT to generate at least 5 more versions of that Facebook ad thumbnail that is already working for you, and ChatGPT will do it for you. And you can use those 5 thumbnails that have been generated to run ads again, and you will get more and more orders. Can you see the magic? That is just the scope. You can use ChatGPT to generate YouTube ad thumbnails. Most of my thumbnails that are on my YouTube videos are generated by ChatGPT. All I need to do is I'll just go on YouTube and I'll find a very popular post that is related to the topic I want to talk about, and I'll look at their thumbnail, and I'll pick that thumbnail and go to ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT, I want to design my YouTube thumbnail for me that is a better version of this popular thumbnail that is being on YouTube, and ChatGPT will generate it for me, and I will use it on my own channel, and I will get good click-through rate, good views for my channel. That is what I'm using ChatGPT for. So what are you using it for? Are you still struggling? Are you still paying graphic designer 20,000, 40,000, a whole lot more to be doing? If you cannot afford to pay a graphic designer or pay someone to do designs for you, you can actually start with using ChatGPT to do all these things for yourself. ChatGPT is free. It has the free version and it has the paid version. I think the free version allows you to generate at least 5 to 6 images before it will now ask you to subscribe to generate more. So you can use the free version for yourself, and it works for 24 hours. After 24 hours, if you use ChatGPT to design 5 thumbnails today, after 24 hours you can use it again, because if you use ChatGPT to design 5 thumbnails, it will tell you that okay, you have used your free limit, and it will only be available in the next 24 hours. So the next day you can use it again to design it. That's how you can use the free version. But if you want to generate more and more, if you're a type of person that like to design 50 to 60 thumbnails, you can just subscribe to ChatGPT paid version, and then it will do the work for you. Free graphic designing. That's what ChatGPT can do for you. So what's the next one? The next one, number 4, we can use ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas for your community. Content ideas. Let's say you are into email marketing. You have a blog. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas. I use it a lot for my YouTube channel. I just ask ChatGPT, I have this YouTube channel. I want to be creating a lot of content that will be useful to construct my audience, which are into e-commerce business, who are also into digital marketing. Can you give me at least different content ideas and to generate it for you? In fact, to generate a lot, it's just for you to be shooting and be going. I can tell ChatGPT, give me 20 content ideas for Facebook ad, 20 content ideas for WhatsApp marketing, 20 content ideas for physical product business, and to generate everything for you. Even ideas that you never thought about, ChatGPT will generate it for you. So that is what you can do. That is one of the things you can use ChatGPT to do for yourself and your business. So let's move on to the next one. Number 5, you can use ChatGPT to create voice-over script for your YouTube channel and Facebook ad campaigns. Let's say you are marketing a product. Now you have shot a video for your product and you want to come up with a good script, a good video voice-over script. You can use ChatGPT to do it. You can just submit a template. I do this a lot for when I'm marketing my product. I'll just tell ChatGPT to give ChatGPT a template for the voiceover script and to generate a voiceover script. I'll just go and use my CapCuts. I'll just be take my, like I'm holding this phone now. I'll hold the other phone here and I'll be reading all the script that ChatGPT has generated for me as a voiceover, and I'll use it to run ads and to convert. You will get orders with it. To help you prepare a precise and concise voiceover script that works. That's what you can use ChatGPT to do. So you can see that ChatGPT speeds up work. It makes work easier. In fact, now you don't even have any reason not to be implementing, not to be making money online because of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is there to help you. So you can use it to your advantage, or you can just use it to be doing anyhow. If you are a wise person, you use it to your advantage. Then number 6, you can use ChatGPT to generate Facebook ad copy and headlines that drive massive traffic to your website. Like I said before, just tell ChatGPT what your product is about, or how it really transform the lives of people, what are the benefits of your product, and tell ChatGPT to generate 5 ad copies for you. It will do it. Tell ChatGPT to generate 5 headlines for you. It will do it. No questions asked. You can copy it and use it to run Facebook ad to test your campaign, and you will find one that converts very well, that will give you a lot of orders. I use it till now. In fact, one of the ways I use is that I write my own ad copy myself. Then once I test it and it converts, I'll now tell ChatGPT to give me 5 more variations of that my ad copy that converted very well, and it will generate 5 more variations for me, and now use that test again. So you can see it's building. It can compound your ideas. You can compound your ideas if you know what you're using it to do, instead of just using it to just be browsing and typing whatever. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm Facebook ad copy and headlines for your campaigns. So without wasting time, number 7, okay, use ChatGPT to generate SEO optimized articles for your blog. If you are into blogging, you can use ChatGPT. I used it when I wanted to create a blog for my sexual enhancement products community. I used ChatGPT to generate headlines. I used ChatGPT to generate full-blown articles, broad headlines and body and everything, and it was generating orders. We were using it to sell our sexual enhancement products on our blog. We were getting a lot of orders. We are still getting a lot of orders from there, and all the old posts on that blog are ChatGPT generated. It's generated by AI. That's how massive it is. Back in the day, you have to sit down and write. Imagine writing 1,500 blog posts. 1,500 character blog posts every single day. How your hand will be paying, you be typing, you have to be thinking and thinking and thinking. But with ChatGPT, you can do that fast within the twinkle of an eye. All you need to do is copy it and paste it on your blog and publish it. You'll see that it will generate orders for you, to generate traffic and everything for you. I even use it to generate SEO optimized YouTube descriptions for my YouTube channel, and it works. The description that is on my YouTube channel is ChatGPT generated, and it's properly SEO optimized with all the appropriate keywords, and everything is there for you. So ChatGPT has made work easier. It's just for you to use it to your advantage. Use it to your advantage. People always say that AI is making people not to think, is making people not to exercise their creativity. No, for me, I feel like AI is helping you enhance your creativity. It's helping you enhance your creativity. It's helping me enhance my creativity. You can use it to enhance your creativity too. Even these days, you can use ChatGPT to write a lyrics of a song, and then record the song or whatever. I think there are other AI tools that can use to generate songs. Maybe ChatGPT writes the lyrics of the song, then use another AI tool to generate the sound of the song and upload it to Spotify and everywhere, and be making money from it. No need to going to the studio. And like ChatGPT, like AI is the future, and it's even now. Like if you're not using it, you're on a long thing. There's this song, I speak blessings, I speak love into my heart, I speak them into my head. If you have seen, that song has been trending online. It's very popular online. That song is AI, and it has gotten over 4 billion streams on Spotify. It's AI generated. I've seen so many songs that are AI generated. AI is the future. Use it to your advantage. Like, just use it to your advantage. There's no need arguing with it. Just use it to your advantage. Then lastly, you can also use, this is an extra, you can use ChatGPT to create models for your products instead of spending money hiring models and paying for photo shoots. Back in the day, if you have a product, if you have a clothes or a cap or any fashion products that you wanted to sell, if you wanted to model that product, that clothes or that fashion item, you needed to pay models and then pay for photo shoots, and then you now start doing whatever, you now start spending money on all those things too. But now you can with ChatGPT, you don't need to do all that. Just give ChatGPT your products, download a stock photo from the internet and tell ChatGPT to wear your product on this stock photo, and it will do it sharp without spending 1 naira on photo shoots, without spending one to generate it fast. See, ChatGPT, AI is the future and it is now. Use it to your advantage. Stop arguing with it. Don't argue with it. Just go with the tide. That's how it works. Go with the tide. Go with the tide. ChatGPT is the future. Use it to your advantage. So I know that with this post, these few points of mine, I've been able to show you ways at which you can use ChatGPT to make money online, to make money for yourself. Go and implement. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. If you are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, with all this value I'm giving you, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button to leave a subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will gain a lot of from doing that. Then you can also check my YouTube description to access any of my courses. If you want to learn about marketing, you want to learn about products that you can start selling as fast as possible to make your first 1 million naira online, you can check out my Millionaire Maker Hub Product Blueprint. If you want to learn email marketing and WhatsApp marketing, I have a course on that. If you want to learn about copywriting, I have a course on that. Go and learn it for yourself. Also, if you want to hire me to help you create your marketing material for your business, you can also hire me. Check on the description, you will see all the details there. So see you in my next video, and remember, go and use ChatGPT to your advantage. Thank you. This video is 19 minutes. Wow. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.